Hello. Some rain to come into the afternoon across eastern Scotland, parts of northern England and North Wales. But wherever you are, rain or shine, it is still likely to feel rather warm. Certainly temperatures above average for the time of year, as they have been in the last couple of days, because we're pulling a lot of very warm air up from a good way south in the Atlantic. It's essentially tropical air. Here goes this band of rain through the afternoon, sinking across eastern Scotland into northern England and Wales. Perhaps just a few showers for the southwest as it moves in here. Ahead of it, temperatures 19-20 degrees. To the rear of it as well, in some sunshine, I think warm for Scotland and Northern Ireland. But the weather front is a marker between the very warm air to the south and air more typical of that we'd sit in at this time of year, shall we say, coming in from the northwest. Perhaps chilly where the winds fall light across some of the Scottish glens, in fact, by the end of the night. Here goes the front through the weekend. It's weakening all the while on its way south across the UK because high pressure is trying to squeeze in from the west. So across southern and eastern England, first thing on Sunday, maybe a little bit of drizzle, some cloud, but it will brighten all the while. And then a much brighter start for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Quite windy though across Scotland, gusty westerly winds, and those will usher in some showers. We could still be looking at up to 20 degrees across southern England and South Wales on Sunday, but to the north of the UK, temperatures mid-teens more typically. And then into the new week, high pressure is keen to sit to the south of the UK. Weather fronts will just try and snake in to the north. And for Scotland, there will be some wetter weather around, particularly in the west on Monday. Perhaps some thicker cloud for Northern Ireland and Northern England. To the south, a lot of fine weather underneath that area of high pressure. But with a high at this time of year, there is that risk of generating the same problem that we had first thing on Saturday. Some dense and lingering patches of fog. And that is likely to be the story for many mornings through our week ahead to the south of the UK. And we never see a return of those 20-degree highs. Temperatures looking like they'll sit widely in at the mid-teens in the days ahead. A lot of fine weather to come though. Wettest weather probably for Scotland again by the end of the week, and some showers for Northern Ireland.
Join the BBC's global correspondents for a special series looking at the big issues facing our planet, as well as the latest technological solutions. In the run-up to the climate conference in Glasgow, we'll explore what climate change means for you.
Countdown to COP26. Tonight at 7:30 on the BBC News Channel.
There are many movies out at the moment that are claiming to be comedies. This beats all of them. And on the one hand, it's a political tale. On the other hand, it is a magic realist fable. It is baggy and overlong. You can either just see it as a really good popcorn adventure or as something much deeper. That's what a proper cult movie looks like. My problem with it is I wanted it to be darker. The script is laughable, but not in a good way. This has proved so divisive. I was reminded of the friendship between Elliot and E.T. Every time anyone says mockumentary, immediately think, is it as good as Spinal Tap? The answer is no. Very smartly reinvented a franchise, and who thought that was possible? It does the thing that cinema is meant to do at its very best, to completely immerse you, to transport you, to take you to another world.
Words of Wisdom, the film review, Friday at 5:45 on the BBC News Channel.